Let's take a look at how to use your panel when it is in basic mode. So you'll notice here that we have two choices. We can sign in or browse as guest. Guest mode's great if you just want to quickly walk up and use the panel without signing in. We're going to choose the sign in option. Now, this is a 51 series panel that I'm on, so I can either log in using my Google account, I can use the QR code, which is connected to the My ViewBoard companion app, the app that you can use on your phone. We have a separate video on how to do that. Or again, I'm on a 51 series, so I can use the NFC reader. However, I've not set up my NFC card yet, so I either need to log in using the companion app or using Google. So I'm just gonna log in with the companion app really quickly here, and I'm gonna use the companion app to scan the QR code. It's gonna pass my credentials to the panel, and it's gonna go ahead and sign me in. Now, this sign-in process does sync a lot of your settings, so it's connecting things like my ViewBoard to Google Drive and other services that I've enabled, as well as my shortcuts. So when you log in, this is what your screen looks like. You can customize these however you want to, so it's a long press, and you can edit your home screen. So if you have certain apps that you use frequently, we can remove or add them. Just click the check mark over here to save all of your settings. Now, over here on the bottom right, you're gonna see that that's where my user account is. And you're gonna notice that I can sign out, I can lock it, or I can bind an NFC card. So if you do have an NFC card that you wanna use instead of using the companion app, you click bind. It's gonna give you the directions. All you need to do is take out your card and place it over the reader, and you'll see that this is now connected. Now, you can only have one card per account, so if you need to unbind this card and rebind it, you just have to have one of your IT managers do it through myviewboard.com. So now that we're here, again, you have your shortcuts. We have My ViewBoard for whiteboarding, AirSync, that's gonna be for casting, and Manager is used by the IT department to manage the panel. You also have your side tools that are on the bottom or the sides. We can access things like all of our apps. We can also switch inputs. That's what the arrow with the square is. So if I'm trying to switch and connect my laptop, I can press that, and you'll notice that I have the different connections here, like HDMI 1, or if I'm using a slot-in PC. When I'm finished and I want to sign out, all I do is come here, click the sign out button, and now I'm logged out and it's ready for the next person to use. And remember, if you walk to any panel and you sign in, it's going to sync all your settings. So in basic mode, we're really only using the panel for whiteboarding, casting, and again, Manager for the management side.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to PDTeamUS@viewsonic.com.